Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add page number in PDF. Friends, if you want to add page number to your PDF document, then you simply need to open ilovepdf.com in your web browser. Now here you need to scroll it little down and here you will find option to add page number. Now you need to select the PDF file in which you want to add page number. My file is on desktop. After selecting file, click on open. Now here it will show all the pages. Now from here you can select the position where you want to show your page numbers. You can select the top right corner, bottom left corner, or you can select the bottom right corner. Now your page numbers will show here in the bottom right side of the page. Now here you can select the number from which you want to start your page numbers. Like if you want to add page number from 11th page, then you need to select here 11. Now it will start numbering from 11 onwards. Now here you can select pages on which you want to show the page numbers. I want to show page numbers on all pages, so I will not do any changes in it. Now in text you can change the style of showing page number, like it will only show the number, or it will show page, then it will show 1, 2, 3, whichever the page number is. So I will leave insert page number only. Now after doing all the required settings, you need to click on add page number. Now you need to save the file. Now my file is downloaded, so I will open this file. Now here you can see in the bottom right it is showing the page number. I have started numbering from 11, so friends, like this you can very easily add page numbers in your PDF document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.